Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting your data. Make a full backup or image so you can recover if something goes wrong. Once done, download the Gparted Live ISO and use Rufus to create a bootable USB, choose MBR or UEFI mode that matches your system. Make sure to disable Windows Fast Startup so volumes unmount cleanly, and then reboot, enter firmware, and set USB as first boot device. This lets you run Gparted without Windows locking partitions. You boot into Gparted Live and accept the defaults. This gives a stable environment to edit disks. Next, visually identify the NTFS Windows partition and any EFI or recovery partitions so you don't touch the wrong one. Make sure the target partition is unmounted. If it shows a key icon, right-click and unmount. Then use resize/move to set the new size or move space, drag or type exact values, and queue the changes. Queuing lets you review before committing, which is safer. You click Apply to execute the queued operations. This is where patience matters. Do not power off or interrupt the process because partial writes corrupt partitions. Once complete, close Gparted, remove the USB, and reboot into Windows. Make sure to run chkdsk/f on the resized partition to rebuild metadata. If Windows won't boot, try Windows Startup Repair or, if necessary, restore your image. Key troubleshooting tip. If partition table looks wrong, use a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.